Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the knitcrowd.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to do a knit increase. So we're going to be knitting in the front and the back loop at the same time. So our goal is just to make one stitch into two. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to knit like you normally would, and you're going in just like you see here with the needle in behind this one. So we're going to knit as normal, but don't you dare slide that off. Keep it on, and you're going to wrap and you're going to bring through, but without sliding that needle on, I need you just to rotate and go around that stitch again and then into the same stitch but on the back side, just like you see here. I will show that again, and then you're gonna wrap that stitch or wrap the needle and bring it on through. So at this point here you see that there's two strands here, only one here. You've physically done an increase. Now you can slide off. So let's do that again. Let me show you. So we're gonna insert as if you're gonna regularly knit. So going in, okay, and then you're gonna wrap, but do not slide off, just bring it on through, and using this just rotate around and going into the same stitch on the back side once again. I'm gonna show it 3 times. So coming or wrapping it through and bringing it, and so that one stitch just became 2. And now slide off. Let's show it one more time. So going into the same next stitch, wrap, bring through, okay, rotate around and going into the same stitch, okay, wrap and pull through, and so that one stitch just became 2. So that's how you do a knit increase in the front and the back loops. Until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarn Inspirations as well as the knitcrowd.com. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.